Oh, oh, oh. Man, what's up, YouTube, bro? I got something to say to y'all boys, but before I start this motherfucking video, man, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I appreciate you boys with the utmost love, like genuineism, like appreciation, like I fuck with y'all boys, man. I got some quick shout outs that I'm gonna do right quick. I want to talk to y'all about my little shit right quick. I'm gonna make this quick so we get to the video right quick. Make it fast. So in the last 3 months, I got 11,000 views, 125 subscribers. That's a lot for somebody who only just started 3 months ago. And for the boys, for the Chevy boys who watching, and the Chevy boys that stay down with me, the Chevy boys who watch every video, man, and the Chevy girls that watch every video, man, I appreciate y'all with the utmost love and a thank on bro, because I never thought like this shit would take off this fast. And we go through a lot of shit, a lot of problems and shit like that, man. And y'all boys just make sure I'm level-headed, and every time I see one of y'all comments and y'all tell me to keep going, and wow, bam, it make a nigga want to keep going, and wow, bam, keep dropping for y'all this heat I got in store for y'all. That was as of July 22nd. As y'all seen this video, it's probably about the 29th, 28th, whatever. But let me show y'all this too. Now for the cities, listen. Shout out to everybody in these cities, man, that's showing support to your boy. I'm gonna start from the top one more time. KC Mo, the land, the most views on the land. Appreciate y'all with 86. Atlanta, Georgia to be exact, GA, 84. Boy, hey boy. Shout out to everybody in these cities, man, that's showing support to your boy. Dallas, 56. You know what I'm saying? 56. Chicago, Rack Deezy, 51. Runner-up. Now the runner-up kind of blew my mind. But the honorable mention when it comes to cities and everybody in the world who been fucking with your boy, shout out to Moscow, man. Shout out to Moscow, Russia, my boy, cause I ain't gonna lie, that one blew my mind, y'all. That blew my head top, man. Yeah, that's all I got. So we gonna get into the video. I appreciate you boys, like for real. I can't stop saying that. I said every video. I appreciate you boys, cause y'all in the comments, all you old heads, y'all be talking smack, man. Cause I'm not no mechanic yet. Feel me? You hear what I said? Yet I ain't no mechanic. I just love cars. Feel me? I'm learning to be a mechanic, so getting down there with the entry. Feel me? For my day ones, the boys who still locked in, waiting for me to drop, even though it's been a month. I appreciate you boys. We're gonna continue to grind. I got some shit coming up for y'all. All I can say is thank you for the support. Everybody who stayed locked down. The cities I just stated are the most where y'all watching my videos from the most. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all. When I first got into this shit, I never would have thought like it'd be going like this so soon. I already got a solid collective fan base on here that fuck with me. All right, look, on my side of the city, it's getting cold. It's like 30 degrees every day, and I'm not working on my car in them 30 degrees. Son. It's cold in the mugs, and I've been trying to figure out content for y'all because it's getting cold. Like, it's too goddamn cold. That being said, that's why I ain't posted in a while, because it's starting to get cold. That's why y'all seen that video where I parked my car in the garage, because it's getting cold, man. I'm skinny, bro. I get cold fast. So really, that's the only complication we have as far as content, fellas. That's why it's been a month. On the G, that's why it's been a month.
Oh, so crazy. I need you, baby. Hey, yo, you know where we at. We on the K, pull up. You know you can roll that shit. You know what we do. Pull up to
What's up, y'all? Goddamn me. What's up, Chevy boys, man? We back with another motherfucking banger in the works, man. I'm just here to really update and talk to y'all boys right quick.
Yeah, some updates and plans on what's going on. It's not a lot, but it's been about a couple weeks since I posted, and I want to make sure I get y'all some updates and what's going on before it get too cold. You feel me? So yeah, we ain't gonna pull the whip out. We just gonna go over a few things. We gonna chop it up. Y'all my boys, right? You can chop it up. All right, cool. First things first. The battery is dead, right? I knew I was supposed to leave it outside, but I decided to put it inside because, for one, it was raining. For two, we just got done sanding it and things of that nature. Three, I didn't want it to leave it in the driveway. The other old schools on that side, so I was like, damn, that would be hard if they were sitting side by side of each other. And it's getting cold in my part of the city anyway. The leaves is falling and things of that nature. So we've been trying to, work with that. So I didn't want to sand it all the way down. And then when we got to the other sheet, it started raining, making it more rusty and things of that nature. So we didn't want that. So the battery is dead at the moment. I don't know what light is on in that mug to where it keep going dead. Or maybe it's just a weak battery because it's getting old and things of that nature. So I got to get both old schools a new battery. That one in there need a new battery. So they both need new batteries. This car has spark plugs. So before we get a new battery on this one, we're going to put in the new spark plugs. They in the house. Let me go grab them. I don't want this video to be long, so we just gonna talk in key points. All right, first things first. I got the spark plugs. This another video right here. I got 2 boxes filled to the top. Let me show y'all one. So y'all know I ain't bullshitting. Your boy been cooking. Brand spank. Brand spank. Dang. Brand spank. Brand spank. Anyways, so y'all seen I got the spark plugs. So y'all keep note. We got the spark plugs. We need 2 new batteries. All she need is a jump start and she back rolling. But this motherfucker heavy, so I gotta push this bitch out the garage. Type shit. I'ma have OG put in my spark plugs for me. That's gonna be a little video before it start getting crazy and too cold over here. The winter time is really gonna hold us up because we can't do a lot of the work in the garage for this or that one. We're gonna have to roll them bitches out every time. Notes pop up. Let's make a little list together. Let's do this together. Let's go over this together. We got spark plugs. As far as what we need 2 batteries. We need 2 batteries. We need an alternator, a starter, a radiator, and oils. That's all we need. That's the quick rundown. So I hope y'all following along. I got an announcement to make. This is what we decided. Special announcement. This is what we decided. Me and my CHEVY boys crew. This is what we decided. The 70 Impala, the blue purple one with the rims on it, that's the car we're gonna be mainly focusing on as far as parts and getting that bit rolling and started. Then we're gonna start working on this. We still gonna work on this as we go,
But that car is the one we're going to be paying attention to the most. So my OG fans and my OG viewers, I want y'all to lock in and pay attention. That 70s Impala is the car we're going to be working on the most. This is the car that got introduced. I love this car. This is my baby. But I'm not in a rush for her. I'm not in a rush. Because as y'all seen, that car right there got me the most views in my channel. That's kind of how I blew up. So why not keep that series going to get me further? You know what I'm saying? Monopolize off what I got already. Number two, while we working on that and while we working on these, I'm a weirdo, okay? I want another build so bad, right? I want another car. I want another old school. My woman, she might be mad. She might be upset at me, y'all, but I think I want another old school. Yeah, I think I want me another old school. Or 88. I don't know what I want particularly, but around them realms, I want another build. So whatever out there and that I can find first and that I want in my condition that I like it, I'm gonna grab it. And I'm gonna grab it. And we're gonna work again and again. And again, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna work, bro. You boys inspire me. Real life. Y'all the boys who keep this shit going. For real. Y'all the boys that keep this shit going.
But beyond that, we're going to start working on that car. The blue one put it on the screen. Boop. We're going to start working on that. We still going to work on this. We got the spark plugs, so we green, we good. I got to get the ball rolling. I ain't forgot, and I know what I got to do. Don't count your boy out, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the CHEVY boys, man. Don't count yourself out. Don't count me out either, man. We got shit to do. I'm out there. Let's do a quick recap. Y'all boys make this shit work. Y'all boys make this shit do a full circle. Y'all boys inspire me, you know what I'm saying? And y'all motivate me to keep going. Even my family on TikTok and my other YouTube channel, I'm going to pop them on the screen. You know what I'm saying? My people that support my manga, I'm going to pop my manga on the screen. You know what I'm saying? All the people that support the whips, I'm going to put the whips on the screen. You feel me? All the people who support me, I'm going to put me on the screen. You feel me? I appreciate that, like, with the utmost, like, you feel me? I appreciate y'all so much. It's like, I always wanted to do this field of work, you know what I'm saying? Ever since I was a little kid, I'm going to put me, my YouTube up me as a little kid.
He's 13 years old. How many fans do you think you'll get in about a month? Subscribers.
At least like 1,000, I hope. Well, at least.
Alright, how funny do you think your videos will be on a scale of 1 through 10?
10?
Are you all about yourself?
No.
You care for the kids?
Yes.
How many do you care for?
A lot.
Are you lying right now?
No.
I've been grinding for a long time, for years, bro. For years. And now that I'm older, I get to do all the shit that I said I was going to do. And the fact that I got real supporters, I be like, all right, bet. You know what I'm saying? So my announcement to y'all right quick. It don't matter what your family say. It don't matter, bro. Look. It don't matter what your family say. It don't matter what your partners got going on with your mom. Once you get to an age and you know what you gotta do it. You crazy until you figure it out. Listen, it's hard trying to be some shit when you not shit trying to be some shit. Feel what I'm saying? Elon Musk wasn't always Elon Musk. Just keep grinding, bro. That's the best advice I got for y'all, bro. Just keep grinding and staying positive and doing what you're gonna do, bro. And providing for the world, and the world gonna show. Yeah. Yeah. Okay then, Chevy crew. I just wanted to chop it up with y'all about these spark plugs and when I'm going to put them in the whip. You know what I'm saying? All right now, 2025, I'm working on something that's real deal and special for the Chevy crew channel. You feel me? If you got a Donk, a Caprice, an Impala, a Cutlass, a Chevelle, anything,
and you willing to tell a story on that motherfucker, I want you to pull up, my boy. We're going to showcase the love for the culture, especially the cars, and especially the people who keep this car game alive. Hit me up if you want to show your wit, man, so we can show the car culture what it's all about, man. Make sure we still up, breathing, and alive. Yeah, I know I appreciate you boys for tuning in, man. As always, stay cruising. Keep your Chevy rolling. Keep them wheels clean. And swerve that motherfucker, man. I ain't gonna lie. I wonder who gonna be the first person on the series on Bro Ski.